Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today in this video we are going to discuss about fasteners. What are fasteners? Screws, bolts and nuts. These are the main fasteners and we assemble parts with the help of fasteners. So firstly, what is screw? Screw is an externally threaded fastener which is generally assembled into a blind threaded hole. If you see, this is a screw here. It is a fastener which this is a blind hole in the part. This is the part. This is your first part here. This is your second part. In the first part, it is a clearance hole, but in the second part, it is a threaded hole here. If you tight this screw, we can assemble these two parts like this with the help of screw. So similarly, here it is an example of bolt. If you see here, this is a bolt and this is nut here. And these are the two parts. We are assembling these two parts with the help of bolt and nut. And one washer is also there. So with the help of bolt, nut and washer, we assemble these two parts and both the parts are having clearance hole like this. So there is no threaded hole in both the parts. So this type of parts we can assemble with the help of bolt and nut like this. So nut is internally threaded fastener whereas bolt is externally threaded fastener. So this way we can assemble parts with the help of screw, bolts and nuts. Okay. Then if you see fasteners in assembly, these are the assembled parts. Both parts are assembled. This first part, this is second part. So, and this is a bolt here. This is your nut. So first thing is we uh, never section lines. We never draw section lines in the bolt and nut. So these are section line in the parts only, and we don't draw section line in bolt and nut and washer also. So this way we draw drawing like this of assembled bolt, and this is cap screw here. In cap screw these are both parts are assembled. In the second part this is a threaded hole, but in the first part it is a clearance hole. So we tight these two parts with the help of screw here, cap screw. In this way we can assemble these two parts. So this is the assembly drawing of with the help of cap screw, and this is assembly drawing of bolt and nut and two parts. Okay. Then if you see here, third thing is bolt, nut and screws, bolt studs and screws. This is the assembly drawing of bolt. This is here, these are the two parts, part number 1, part number 2, and clearance hole is there. This is a bolt and this is nut here. So, and second is cap screw, as we have already seen. This is cap screw. Second part is threaded. First is only having clearance hole, first part. This type of assembly we can do with the help of cap screw. And third is studs. What is stud? Stud is threaded at both ends. Both ends it is threaded. Complete soft without head. So there is head in the bolt also. There is head, hexagonal head or whatever it may be shape. And in cap screw also there is a head. But here in studs it is headless bolt. Basically it is headless bolt. So this is here nut. With the help of nut we tight this uh, stud. Stud is there. It is threaded on both ends, and we tight with the help of nut, and we assemble the parts like this. first, and in this, what is there? This is your threaded. Second part is threaded here, and in first part it may be clearance hole, and so it is threaded on both ends, but at the middle, the plain diameter is there. This diameter. So this is a stud. So the stud. So this type of assembly we can do with the help of stud also. Okay. Now if you see here, type of fasteners. Basically in the fastener, main is one is nut, type of nut is there, bolt is there, screw is there as you have already seen, washer is there. With the help of washer we can tight parts, and key is also one fastener key. For assembly purpose we use keys also. Stud, we have already used the stud. It is threaded on both ends, and in the middle there is no thread, middle portion. Rivets are there. With the rivets also we can, it is also a fastener. Uh, and anchor, and anchor is also a fastener. Nails is a fastener, and then inserts, we can also use inserts in the fasteners. A retaining ring and cleavage pin, this is also a fastener, cleavage pin. Now I will explain this retainer ring and cleavage pin. If you see here, so this is a cleavage, this part, and this is cleavage pin here. This is cleavage pin, and these are retainer rings. So how you use these fasteners? This is a joint basically, just like a knuckle joint if you see. So this is assembly of all these parts here. This is cleavage, and this pin, cleavage pin is there, and these retainer rings are used like this. These are retainer rings here in both sides. So this is assembly just like knuckle joint. So this is also a fastener, this pin used as a fastener in the cleavage joint like this. And next, if you see, this is wall anchor. In the wall you can uh, make a drill a hole, and then you in the that hole you put this plastic part here, and then you tighten the screw. After this drilling, first of all, you with the help of hammer you can put this in the wall, this plastic part, and then you can put this screw like this. So this is also a wall anchor. This is a fastener in the wall. So this way we use fasteners. These are all fasteners like this: washers, pins, cleavage pins, and all these type of fasteners we use. So nut, bolt, washers, and these are all fasteners used like this. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.